Have you ever wanted to get closer to the action of Supercross? Well, now you can. Obviously, other sports offer, you know, in-car cameras, and F1 you can watch radio communications. Well, now ClubMX is offering the same thing. And I believe, if I remember correctly, it is $9.99 per race, and you get to hear their in-team audio or something like 149. The caption will say it. I think it's 149 for the year. And it's kind of cool actually when you think this is something that the smaller teams can offer as a little bit of a I don't say a bonus, but a way to help them pay for things. If you get a couple hundred people listening to this, there's a lot of money that's going into their program, the pocket of the riders paying for parts or travel or mechanics, whatever. This is kind of cool. How well it's going to do, who knows? How well the service is going to work, who knows? If it's going to be something that Feld might turn around and say, nope, you can't do that because we say so, who knows? But I'm gonna ask you guys, is this something that you would listen to? Is this something you are going to pay for? Is it something you'd even be interested in? And depending, also the question is, would it be more interesting if it was, you know, Star Yamaha or Pro Circuit, or if you could listen to, radio for Eli Tomac or Jetson or whatever? That's the question. I mean, the bigger question too is, would you do it if it was a bigger team, or is it still a cool idea in general? I think it's pretty cool. I mean, I will say this in my own aspect. I'm not going to pay for it, but I think the idea is nice, especially for fans who are really into it, have the time to spend all day long to watch race day live and qualifying and practice and whatever. You get to hear a lot more. You get to be more in tune to what's going on, but like I said, comment down below. Tell me, are you going to subscribe to this and listen to it? Do you think it's a good idea, bad idea, whatever it is? Comment down below. Tell me. And while you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things the platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.